Hello, I'm going to show you how corner of vinyl is welded. This time I'm demonstrating the external kicked out corner with a heat welded system. So you cut your weld rod, put it through the nozzle, and away you go to weld it. It is very difficult to weld from the wall to the floor because you're up in the air and it's difficult to balance it. You know, you gotta be so balanced, otherwise you're gonna burn the vinyl up on the wall. So take your time and just keep along the gaps of two sides that you've already grooved, or you've cut it just nicely to size so the weld rod can be pushed in with a heat welder. And this is how it gets welded. It's just interesting how things are done really in building work. And when you finish the joint, always put something underneath, so make sure you don't mark the rest of the vinyl. And you leave it to become cold for like 2 minutes, right? And when it gets cold, you know, we come back with a special blade or cutter. I always cut the top with the sharp standing knife, and then I carry on with the special cutter, as we call it, the exactors, and you just trim it along, cut one small piece and then the second small piece as you get up to a point where it's nicely flat and smooth. So you gotta be so careful and make sure you don't scratch the left and right hand side of the vinyl. Right, we're gonna have a little look from the closest point, and when you're done, if there's any scratches, just get your heat welder air near it and smudge it like that, and you'll get rid of all the scratches and any discolored one. There we go, it's all done, and hope this gives you an idea. End of the video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.